Welcome to Brand Investigation YouTube channel. Here we explore the best anti-aging skin moisturizers through comparisons and reviews. We aim to give you all the insights needed to make an informed choice for your skincare needs. In this video, we'll cover 4 key aspects. First, we'll discuss the essential factors to consider before buying an anti-aging moisturizer online. Next, we'll highlight the top 4 best brands available in the market. After that, we'll help you decide which moisturizer suits your skin needs. And finally, we'll break down customer reviews to reveal the actual performance of these products. Anti-aging moisturizers promise to smooth wrinkles, firm the skin, and deliver a radiant glow. The joy of seeing visibly younger skin is what makes these products exciting to use. Dry skin. Some moisturizers failed to provide enough hydration, leading to flaky or tight skin. Dull skin. Users mentioned a lack of radiance and vibrancy after application. Oily skin. A few products left the skin feeling greasy and overly shiny. Allergic reaction. Certain ingredients caused irritation, redness, or breakouts in sensitive users. Don't worry, our brand research ensures the best buying decision for top anti-aging moisturizers. Let's get started. Let's explore the top 4 anti-aging skincare brands that stand out in the market. SimplyVital is renowned for creating natural skincare products that prioritize healthy, radiant skin. REMEDIAL PAX focuses on combining science and nature to deliver advanced skincare. L'Oréal Paris is a global leader in beauty and skincare, known for its wide range of reliable products. MAREE is a premium skincare brand that prides itself on luxury formulations. Now let's dive into a detailed comparison of these brands to see which one can best meet your skincare goals. Let's kick things off with the key ingredients. SimplyVital keeps it natural with collagen and aloe vera. REMEDIAL PAX goes for a powerful mix of retinol and collagen. L'Oréal Paris brings in hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, and MAREE combines collagen, retinol, and aloe for a triple punch. When it comes to texture, SimplyVital and REMEDIAL PAX are lightweight and super easy to apply. L'Oréal Paris feels smooth and silky, and MAREE has a quick absorbing texture that's great if you're always on the go. Next up is moisturization, SimplyVital and MAREE. Keep your skin hydrated all day, while REMEDIAL PAX and L'Oréal Paris really go deep for that intense moisture boost. Looking to fight wrinkles? SimplyVital and L'Oréal Paris are top contenders here, doing a great job with wrinkle reduction, while REMEDIAL PAX and MAREE are solid choices for firming up those fine lines. Good news, these moisturizers are great for all skin types. But if you have normal to dry skin, L'Oréal Paris is particularly effective. Sensitive skin? No worries. SimplyVital and L'Oréal Paris are gentle and irritation-free, while REMEDIAL PAX and MAREE have mild, skin-friendly ingredients too. Absorption is quick across the board, with SimplyVital and MAREE leading the way. L'Oréal Paris takes a bit longer, but locks in moisture for a lasting effect. SimplyVital has a light, natural scent that's subtle. MAREE's fragrance is equally gentle, while REMEDIAL PAX is a bit stronger, and L'Oréal Paris skips fragrance entirely for those who prefer unscented. For skin elasticity, REMEDIAL PAX stands out, but the others, SimplyVital, L'Oréal Paris, and MAREE do a great job firming and tightening the skin, giving you that smooth look. Each brand brings something special to the table. SimplyVital targets wrinkles, REMEDIAL PAX firms and tightens, L'Oréal Paris brightens and hydrates, and MAREE offers reliable all-day moisture. All 4 brands are made right here in the USA, so you know you're getting quality products you can trust. For sun protection, L'Oréal Paris takes the lead with SPF 30, and MAREE has SPF 15. SimplyVital and REMEDIAL PAX are perfect for night routines without SPF. Need a moisturizer that lasts? SimplyVital, REMEDIAL PAX, and MAREE offer a solid 2-year shelf life, while L'Oréal Paris goes even further with 3 years. Great news for sensitive skin, these are allergen-free. No parabens, no sulfates, no silicones, just safe ingredients across all brands. SimplyVital leads with super quick absorption, followed closely by REMEDIAL PAX and MAREE, while L'Oréal Paris offers a steady absorption that locks in that moisture. For those who trust expert advice, SimplyVital, Remedial PAX, and L'Oréal Paris, our dermatologist-approved MAREE, while not certified, is still a customer favorite. SimplyVital has a solid 14,471 4-star ratings. Remedial PAX isn't far behind with 12,583. L'Oréal Paris blows it away with 40,899. And MAREE has a respectable 1,129. When it comes to positive feedback, L'Oréal Paris leads with 87%, followed by MAREE at 187%. 84%, Remedial PAX sits at 83%, and SimplyVital rounds it out at 80%. Now for the prices, SimplyVital is a great budget pick at $22.89. Remedial PAX is right there at $23. MAREE is affordable at $20. $25, and if you're looking for a premium option, L'Oréal Paris is $37. And finally, let's talk popularity. SimplyVital sold over 50,000 units last month. Wow! Remedial PAX had 10,000, MAREE moved 5,000, and L'Oréal Paris saw 2,000, showing just how in demand these products are. Let's take a look at customer ratings from trusted sources. SimplyVital Moisturizer holds excellent 4.5-star rating. Remedial PAX Moisturizer holds good 4-star rating. L'Oréal Paris Moisturizer holds excellent 4.5-star rating. And MAREE Moisturizer holds average 3.5-star rating as concluded from customers who rated in trusted sources. Don't forget to like, drop a comment, and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content.